Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with entry number 23. I'm on my table. And this is the end of the challenge, so I have a couple videos that will be up. And if I haven't shown it, just text me to make sure that I got your entry. Okay? So, after I finish doing all the videos, I will be having that entry come up, the winner. So stay tuned for that. Will be up in about a week from the last video. So I have like one more video after this one, I think. But I'm going to go check tomorrow because today is the end of the month. So I need to go check. Just make sure today if anything else is in there. And then we will be all set, okay? So I just love everything, and I'm so thankful for everybody participating. So this one comes from Yvette. She is the Crafty Girls. Oops! Oh my God! I said the Crafty Girl. I'm sorry. I got salsa on my table. She is the Cards Girl on the Instagram. She's not on the YT with videos yet. So yet, I said yet. You hear me, Yvette? You need to get up here. So I'm going to open up. First, let me open up this because this has my name on it. Oh, it's embossed. And I see some bling back here. She likes that card. Isn't that a nice touch? That was nice. I hadn't done that. I've seen that before, so I like that. Put some little bling on it. You know, women always love bling. And it's embossed, so hey. Oh, look at this card. Absolutely gorgeous. And so funny because I had just ordered that stamp. It already came in maybe a few days ago from Allie. This is so pretty, girl. You need to go ahead and get on that YT. Anyway, so look at the flower. So this is her color. She's got some looks like, I don't know if it's stickles or I think it's like Wink Stella and some stickles on it. Very pretty scene. I love it. She's got some butterflies. It says happy, beautiful, gorgeous, pretty butterfly here and a flower here, and it's layered, and you got this bow. So pretty. And this is Dawn. Live with passion, laugh out loud, and love deeply. Amen. I hope your day was amazing. You got a pretty handwriting. I wish for all your wishes and dreams to come true. Happy birthday. So blessed to have you as a inspirational, crafty friend. Always, Yvette, aka the Cards Girl. Thank you so much. Yvette is such a sweetie, and I love her creation. So she sent me another note, and it says she's never done one of these projects other than a card. Okay, so this is her first Memory Decks, ATC, and ICAD. Wow, awesome. So thank you for your challenge, and just stepping out of my norm, in quotes, was a lot of fun. So I hope I did them correct. Thanks so much. Yes, they're so pretty. And it was so funny because the day I saw it on Instagram, you posted, my coworker was just talking about Mary Poppins. So I showed her your thing, and she's just like, oh, you got to bring that in. So I'm going to bring, I said, I'm going to bring it in when I get everything and finish with the videos. I'm going to bring my Rolodex in so she can see it. Also encloses a little something for you may already have. I purchased them in your haul. I'm sending it anyway. Maybe you can trade it in or pass it on to your sister or give away. Oh, well, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She said she saw this in my haul, but she had sent it anyway. So, you know, I'm a red girl. Everybody knows that. So she sent me some red heart bling and some regular bling. And of course, you know, I always love that. My sister may try to steal it. She's a purple girl, but she does respect the red. So she sent me some nice bows, and she's got some nice looking shaker confetti in there as well. So thank you for the pretty bows. I love the paper that you did it. So you got some black and silver, and you got some gold in here, and you got some red and gold. Pretty. Definitely can use that. Definitely can use that. So I'm going to open this up. So she sent me this nice gold with some washi on it. I'm trying to get the washi. Alrighty. I should have did that better so I can keep it wet. Okay. Trying to put it in the wrong direction. Nice and pretty. Okay, thank you so much. Yes. So she sent me these stamps. Let your face be bigger than your fear. Hope, love, faith is strength. By I think I did. I think this is the one I have. Okay. Peace. I think I did get this. I'm not sure, but I think that's what you were saying about. You may have seen it in my haul video. Okay, but you said I could pass it on. So if I do, I will double check. But I think I do have this, and I will pass it on. If not, of course, I will keep this. But anyway, thank you so much. So this is the Lord will fight for you. You need only be still. Miracles happen. Faith is knowledge within the heart, beyond the reach of truth. Faith consists in believing when it is beyond the power of reason to believe. Don't tell God how big your problems are. Tell your problems how big your God is. Faith is the strength by which shattered words can emerge to light. And God's answers are wiser than your prayers. Amen. So thank you so much. I love that. And oh my gosh, that's so cute. And yes, I'm gonna love that. My sister's gonna like that too with them lips. Hello, gorgeous. Because I shared when I did the diamond dots, the lips. That was one of the things that my sister and I did. So now, look how pretty that is packaged. Hold on for 1 second. I gotta take a picture. Okay, so I'm back. I just want to take a picture right quick because I have been snatching everybody's stuff off when I'm taking pictures, and I keep a minute to do that. So anyway, so she got a nice little dimensional flower right here on the ribbon. So I'm just going to scoot that off with hopefully without messing that up. Yay, I was able to do it. And let's just jump right in. Oh my goodness, this looks so pretty. Oh, okay. She got it in the pocket. Oh, I see it. Okay. Oops. Oh, that was so neat. That was a neat idea how you package that. I like that. Duh, I hadn't even thought of that. That's a neat way to send that because everything fits. Perfect. Okay. So this is the ATC fell out first. Let's do that one. So this says Smart and Cherry. On one side, and it says anything can happen if you let it. Mary Poppins. So look at it. She's got the hat, the umbrella. She's got a bow. This is layered in behind. This is some red glitter paper on top of some black. And there's the punches. The corners are punched as well with a decorative edge. That is so cute. I love that. And then this is her first index card. And if you don't know what IC is, it's the index card. Is a 4x6 that you alter just like you do an ATC, which is the size of a baseball card or a pocket letter or a deck of cards, 2.5 and 3.5, and this is a 4x6, and you can decorate it the same way, any kind of way you want to express yourself. So you can see here, oh, like she did some, look like she sprayed it right there through a stencil. I like that. And then she's got the stamped image right here. I forgot her name. What is her name? She's got a little bow on top of her hat with a little pearl, and then she's got a doily here and a bow, and she's got some red thread. Nice touch. For beautiful eyes, look for the good in others. For beautiful lips, speak all the words of kindness. And for poise, walk with the knowledge that you are never alone. Audrey Humphrey. Can't talk. She's got her name on the back. Yvette. And then last but not least is her memory decks. This is so cute and it's so dimensional. And she's got Sweet and Kind on this one as well. And it's black in the background. She's got a scene right here, which is dimensional. The town, the tops of the houses, because of course Mary Poppins is floating in the air. She's got her purse, her umbrella. I mean, I love the whole ensemble. This is so nice. Got a bow, and you got the 3 colors right there on that. So pretty. Did I hold that one up? I don't know if I did. Just in case I didn't. So, I can't believe this is your first time. So, you know what that means, Yvette? That means you got to make more. And so, on the back, her favorite colors are orange, black, and neutrals, silver, gold, and glitter. Her styles is vintage, retro, shabby chic, country farm, and bling. She loves coffee, teardrop campers, butterflies, and trees. Alrighty now. So she's, oh, your birthday's coming up. My son's birthday is the day after yours. Cool. So her birthday is February. Yours is February, baby. So your birthday is coming up soon. So happy early birthday. And by the time this video up, it probably will be on your birthday. Anyway, so thank you so much for participating. I love everything. You did an awesome job. And I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and get on the YT. Anyway, so you guys, thanks for liking and watching and subscribing. And the challenge is closed, but you know, if you haven't gotten a video, just check video up from me. Just check to make sure I got it. And again, everybody's stuff was postmarked before the deadline. It's just, I was just giving everybody a video a day to themselves to have it up, and I'm behind a couple days. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and stay tuned for the winner of this challenge giveaway. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.